Hello, I'm Ilya from Eocortex, and today I will show you how to use the views function in Eocortex. To do that, we need to open the configurator and go to Views tab. Here we will see the list of available views. Views are some kind of screens with the cameras. So that's a predefined screen where you select the position of the cameras and the grid size. So to create a new one, let's click Create, change the name, Test View, and here we select the grid of cameras. For example, this one, we add cameras. We can change the position of the cameras on these screens. Add another. Like this. And also you can create an automatic switching of that views. So let's click here and then add a view. So right now the first one is selected. We add another view, test, and this one. So we added several views. We can change their order, delete them, add more, and also set the time between the switching. So in this case, the operator will just start this sequence of views and he won't need to change the cameras or open all of them on the same screen. So that will reduce the load on the hardware and also will help to focus on a group of cameras. For example, to watch the first view, after 10 seconds another, and so on. So this is how can we configure new views and configure the automatic switching of them. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.